Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show how a school head or admin user can consolidate the students. Let's begin. From Dashboard, navigate to Students and click on Consolidation. In this page, you can see the status of consolidations for each classes. For this tutorial purpose, we will select Class 12 to consolidate. Here, we can see that 2 students are pending. 5 students are already added and 7 students are removed from the list. Students marked in red color means it is pending for consolidation. To remove a student from the list, just click on Not Exist button. And click on Exists button to add a student. This is how you can consolidate the student lists from populated data in the VSK portal. In case if the student name is not present in the list, the school head can add it. There are 2 ways to add it. Firstly, add student using PIN number. And secondly, if the student does not have PIN number, add by fresh entry method. First, let's add student using PIN number. Please note that this case is only applicable if you have the student PIN number. Navigate to Add Student and select the option Add from PIN. Enter the student PIN number and click on Search. Verify the student details and click on Claim Student button. And confirm it to add the student to your class list. Now you can see that the student has been successfully added to the list. Let's add using the fresh entry. Please note that, use this option only when the student does not have a PIN number. Go to Add Student and select the Add as Fresh Entry. Fill all the mandatory fields such as name, father's name, mother's name, etc. in the Add New Student form. Once all necessary information are filled in the form, click on Add Student button to add the student in the list. Finally, the last step is to mark the class as consolidation complete. Before marking as complete, all the students must be consolidated. Go to Student Consolidations. Please note that Mark as Complete option will only appear if all students are consolidated. A confirmation message will be shown on Successfully Mark as Complete. That's it. This is the process of student consolidation. Thank you for watching this tutorial video.